So here on the machine at the beginning we have the in-feed nip. After the in-feed nip we come up to the buffer section. So the main point for the buffer section is for the function we called zero waste. Now zero waste is a nice function, and what happens is when we are printing, if we were to stop printing and not use the buffer, we would get a bleed out on a label, so that label then becomes into the waste. By activating the buffer and the zero waste, the sequence follows as so. So we will be printing continuously. I press stop on the Digicon HMI. As I press stop, the web carries on to the UV point. Once that web has passed the UV point, every label is cured at that moment. After that, we disengage our UV system, so there's no contact between the foil of the UV and the substrate itself. This is when the buffer comes into play. So the buffer draws the web back through the section and reverses it in essence. So the web in the rest of the Digicon is stationary. Inside the DigiJet, the web is reversing. So when we press go again, we will get a seamless print. So what happens in the press is, the press is tracking those trigger marks. As we've cleared embellishment, then there'll be an area with no embellishment. That is the next one that our print bar will land on. So we get a seamless print with zero waste and no lost labels.